everybody. Today I thought I would make a ladder, a decorative ladder, not anything to crawl up on. So I went to Menards and I got some slats, and these were 4 feet long, and they're only 39 cents a piece. And I cut between the wood between them. Aren't they called rungs or rings or the steps between them, I cut 14 inches, and I'm gonna put I think 4 on here if I can, but I'm gonna go cut them and stain them now. I'll be back in a minute. Oh boy, it's kind of hard to get these things. I almost wish I would have made it shorter because it's kind of wobbly, you know, how they get tight. But I went ahead and I glued all of them with my trusty Elmer's wood glue, and they're good and tight. And then I went ahead with a couple of them with the nail gun, and first I was just gonna put staples in them because I thought, you know, no one's gonna climb on them, but the staples wouldn't hold. So I'm just gonna put a nail in each of these. So I put a couple of nails in this to hold them. I tell you, this has been the most awkward thing to work with. I hate to make a ladder for a living. I'll be a ladder maker. But I thought I'd show you how easy it was there to make these. When I had my decorating shop, I ordered and sold a lot of these, and they were pretty expensive when I ordered them. And earlier this week, somebody was making them with rolling pins, so I thought I'll show my way and just throw. In the store, I would put tablecloths or dish towels, or you can put candles over it, or I have one in the house, and in the kitchen across the cabinets above the sink, I have it up here, and I have vines and stuff going through it. So just another idea. I keep talking, but anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching my video, and remember to like it if you did, and subscribe if if you would for me. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.